Welcome back. Right now it's 6:44 on this Monday morning. Temperatures basically into the 70s out there. 72 in Jasper, 73 in Beaumont, then 74 in Silsbee. About 75 degrees right now in Port Arthur and officially showing 76 in the Orange area. Speaking of Orange, let's take you over right along Interstate 10, going through Orange there at the Horseman's Western Store, which is right there on the feeder road of I-10 right before you get to Louisiana. You can see a little bit of patchy fog off there in the distance. It looks like over some of the bayous over there in Orange, but generally just some high-level clouds out there for this morning. Looks like a dry day. We're not expecting any rain today. Our Roofing 911 Live Skycam network currently showing 76 in Orange, humidity 95%, and winds are light out of the north at about 2 miles per hour. That tropical wave we were watching over the weekend moved south of us and now pushing into actual Mexico, moved through South Texas over the weekend. Continues to bring them some pretty heavy rainfall from San Antonio into the hill country down towards Corpus Christi and Brownsville. Much needed rain for that part of Texas. They're hoping some of this rain will continue to push out into West Texas, where they also need some rain for a dry area out there. But little street flooding down towards Corpus Christi with some heavy rain coming in. But overall, like I said, it's much needed across that part of the state. We could use some rain here, but for the next 2 or 3 days, it looks like we'll be staying pretty dry. Still about 9 inches behind for the year. And today and through Wednesday, we won't see rain, but it does come back into the forecast. And I'll show you why here in a second as we head towards the end of the week. But as we look at temperatures today, climbing out of the 80s into the lower 90s by lunchtime. We'll see highs in the middle 90s today with mostly sunny skies. And then overnight, we'll see temperatures falling back down into the 70s by tomorrow morning, and looking like a dry start as we get into your Tuesday. And Tuesday afternoon also looks dry. I want to show you atmospheric moisture. It looks a lot like a radar, but it's not. It's showing them moisture levels in the atmosphere out there. You can see the heavy rain associated with that storm over parts of South Texas, and you can see moisture off towards our east. But over Southeast Texas, not much moisture today. Tuesday, not much moisture there either. Then Wednesday, guess what? Not a whole lot of moisture there as well. But watch what happens on Thursday. We have a front coming in from the north. That means a lot of moisture overhead as we go towards Thursday. And then again on Friday, once again, these yellows and orange and red shows moisture content. And there's going to be a lot of it around for Thursday into Friday. That means a good chance for some rain both of those days. For today, though, hot and dry, humid, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures today will be there into the middle 90s. And then for tonight, back down into the 70s with warm and muggy conditions. South winds at 5 to 10. 95 on Tuesday, 96 on Wednesday. All 3 days will be dry. Then here comes that moisture. Thursday, Friday, we'll expect to see scattered showers and thunderstorms. Good coverage, I think, late Thursday into Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday, the moisture starts to thin out a little bit. So we'll just see if maybe a few showers here and there for Saturday and Sunday, with temperatures rebounding back into the lower 90s.
All right, so it'll be super dry, but it looks like, we'll make up for it coming up this weekend.
Yeah, even though
sadly.
We'll have 2 or 3 days of dry weather by Thursday into Friday, it looks like it could get fairly wet, maybe a couple of inches of rain over a couple of days.
All right, so just keep that in mind, guys. Keep up with all of our updates. Jeff will not stray you wrong. Right, Jeff?
That's right.
All right, we're going to have to bring out that tip jar back because you gave us sunshine for 3 days.
Still pretty empty.
We'll fix that.
All right.
Anyway.